Good morning, YouTube. Guess what? We're gonna do some America shit today. That's right. We got a Dodge Viper, and we're gonna play with this thing, do some maintenance on it. Oh yeah, that is a sexy car. Oh yeah, sounds good too. It's got that low. Oh. Now my ears are ringing.
Can't stop America, yeah, coming again to save the mother.
That deputy got you guys at 106.
Oh yeah, that's right. You don't even have the latch on the inside. We got the clamshell, the giant clamshell. It's huge. Good lord. That's a lot of motor.
Yeah.
By the way, that's Omar. He would say hi, but he's adjusting the jack. Alright, we're gonna bump the lift up to get it to touch and make sure they're in the right spot. You're gonna take a look and make sure it's touching what you want to touch.
Yeah.
No bad touches.
Yup, that's a good one.
The car will move backwards, so just watch that I'm not gonna hit the garage.
Gotcha.
Sweet, we're almost there.
Yeah, plenty of room.
There.
Alright.
So we're putting in 9 quarts of 0W40 Mobil 1. We got our filter. Whoa, jeez. Filter. Mopar! And
Hell
yeah,
yeah, brother.
it's gonna be pretty simple. I mean, that's pretty much it. There's, I think, only one drain plug and that's it.
Yep.
So, and I'm gonna use my universal filter adapter because I do not have that size filter, which looks like it's a 0528190AB. Could be wrong on that. So the drain plug is a 14mm socket. I'm gonna break it loose. Alright, it's gonna be hot as bejesus, so I'm just gonna like
You want
spin
the
it.
felt gloves? Or?
Yeah, I think I might want a felt glove.
Let me grab it for you.
Thanks. Just got much for myself to not get burnt to crisp. Nice. Oh yeah, we should probably pull the cap, the filler cap, so
Oh yeah.
release the air pressure. That was not too bad.
Seemed relatively painless.
Yeah, now we gotta find that. Oh, here's the oil filter. All right.
I think much like the Ferraris, this car was designed with some race car heritage, so yeah, they made it not too big of a pain in the ass to work on.
All right. While that's draining, we'll try and get the oil filter off. Pretty conveniently located right in the front of the motor. Hopefully it's not gonna come dripping down everywhere. That's my only fear. It is a vertical filter, but still, you just never know.
Yeah.
All right. I'll let that drain a little while.
Yeah. Ooh, that's like a lot of stuff. You alright?
Yeah, just want to get that glove off fast before it burns me. There. I was like, oh shit.
Alright?
Yep. Because we got a filter that's vertical, we're gonna actually pre-fill it with at least, some oil. I don't want to fill it all the way because then I'll spill it, but most of the way, and then we'll lubricate this gasket with some of the new oil. There we go.
Torque value for the pan drain plug is 25 foot-pounds.
Alright, got the new oil filter. All. Gotta be careful, keep it nice and
Well,
up.
let me double check, like making sure this is for a Gen 2.
Okay.
But it says 97, so yeah, it says torque value for the pan drain plug is 25 foot-pounds. Pan is aluminum and can be damaged over tightening.
So he's actually got aftermarket oil catch cans, which have a little drain petcock. So we're just gonna screw in the petcock and see if we got any oil in there. No, nothing on that one. But it was so loose, it felt like maybe it was just draining the oil right out.
Well, that's not good.
We'll tighten that one back up.
Performance shops, dude.
I suspect this is gonna be the same thing on this one.
Does it feel loose?
Yeah, it was stupid loose. There was zero oil in there, which kind of makes sense. There was oil all over like this area, right kind of around where that that catch can is, so I suspect they never tightened it. It just blew oil all over the bottom of this car, which is really unfortunate because it's an oily mess down here. All right, we had to loosen the breather, because that's actually the filler. And my stupid, oh, there it goes, nice. My funnel was too big to fit in there. That's what she said. You know the rules. Oil change on this thing was super easy. Just one drain plug, oil filter, which is upright. Pull those, 9 quarts. We think 25 foot-pounds on the drain plug seems about right. So yeah, that was really easy. All right, let's get it back on the ground and fire it up. First, raise it up. Release the locks. Now down. Sweet. Ah.
Yeah.
Such a crazy hood. Such a large hood. Jeez. Well, that's it. That's all it takes on the Viper oil change. I have to say, out of all the cars we've been doing on oil changes lately, this is pretty much the easiest. It's a lot of oil, 9 quarts, but one drain plug, one filter. Not even a computer reset. I guess the second closest was the Corvette. Corvette had one drain plug, one filter, but it had a computer you had to reset, so I had one more step, one button to push. Oh my God, I don't know. This thing is just simple. Simple. What year is this?
96.
96. Well, that's probably why. It predates all the computer stuff, but what a gorgeous car. These things are beautiful. Look at this. It just got like, yes. See, that would be a good garage right there.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna do it for tonight, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. You know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, do all those things. We have lots of cool stuff like this coming up, so we're gonna do more DIY car stuff. You're gonna wanna stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet.